Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your small home, tiny apartment or compact room is bursting at the seams, you're not alone. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing mind-blowing DIY hacks that will help you maximize storage, declutter and organize like a pro, and add multifunctional decor that's stylish and space-saving. By the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate small space game plan. Let's get started. Vertical space. It is often a forgotten hero in the world of small spaces. When we think of storage, we often look horizontally, but our walls hold so much potential. Instead of bulky bookcases, consider installing sleek floating shelves. They give the illusion of more space while providing a home for your beloved books and decorative items. And don't forget about the backs of doors. Over-the-door organizers are perfect for shoes, accessories, or even cleaning supplies. By utilizing vertical space, you're not just creating storage, you're creating a sense of airiness and openness that will make your small space feel more expansive. Let's talk about the magic of hidden storage. There's something so satisfying about having a place for everything, even if it's tucked away out of sight. One of my favorite hidden storage solutions is using storage ottomans. They serve as stylish seating while concealing blankets, pillows, or off-season clothing. Underbed storage is another fantastic option. Invest in some slim storage bins that slide effortlessly under your bed. And speaking of overlooked spaces, don't forget about the area above your cabinets. Stylish baskets or storage boxes can be used to store items you don't use frequently. When everything has its designated place, you'll find that your small space feels more peaceful and serene. In the world of small spaces, furniture should always serve more than one purpose. A coffee table that lifts up to reveal a hidden storage compartment? Yes, please. Or how about a sleek console table that transforms into a dining table for six? Consider investing in a daybed instead of a traditional bed. It can function as a cozy sofa during the day and a comfortable bed at night. And let's not forget about nesting tables. These versatile pieces can be tucked away when not in use or spread out to provide extra surface area. Remember, every piece of furniture in your small space should earn its keep. By choosing multi-purpose items, you're maximizing both functionality and style. Corners, those often neglected spaces, hold so much potential for small space living. Corner shelves are a fantastic way to utilize vertical space while adding a touch of visual interest. They're perfect for displaying books, plants, or decorative items. A corner desk is another great option, especially if you work from home. And don't forget about the often underutilized space above your toilet. A sleek over-the-toilet storage unit can provide valuable storage for towels, toiletries, or even decorative items. Remember, corners are not just empty spaces. They are opportunities to create storage solutions that spark joy. By maximizing these often forgotten areas, you'll be amazed at how much more spacious and functional your small space can feel. Chapter 5. Tricks to make a small room look bigger. Even the tiniest room can feel spacious and airy with a few clever tricks. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to make a small room feel larger is to use mirrors strategically. Mirrors reflect light, creating the illusion of depth and openness. Place a large mirror opposite a window to amplify natural light, or use smaller mirrors to create interesting reflections. Another trick is to choose a light and airy color palette for your walls and furniture. Light colors reflect more light, making the space feel brighter and more open. Don't underestimate the power of decluttering and organization. A clutter-free space automatically feels larger and more inviting. Chapter 6. Decluttering and minimalist mindset for small spaces. In the world of small spaces, embracing a minimalist mindset can be truly transformative. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about surrounding yourself with things that spark joy and letting go of anything that doesn't serve a purpose. Start by decluttering your belongings. Go through each item, category by category, and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it. If it doesn't, thank it for its service and let it go. Once you've decluttered, it's time to find a home for everything. Living with less doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. It's about creating a space that feels calm and peaceful. Chapter 7, Stylish and Cozy. Decor for small spaces. Who says small spaces can't be stylish and inviting? With a few thoughtful touches, you can transform your small home into a cozy haven. Choose a cohesive color scheme and incorporate patterns and textures to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Don't be afraid to go bold with your decor. A statement piece of art or a vibrant rug can instantly elevate the style of your small space. Incorporate plants to bring life and freshness into your home. Plants not only purify the air, but also add a touch of nature and tranquility to any room. Remember, decorating a small space is all about choosing items that spark joy and reflect your personal style. Outrow small space transformation complete. Wow, look at this transformation. We've taken a cramped and cluttered space and transformed it into a functional, stylish and organized small home. By embracing these DIY hacks and a minimalist mindset, you can create a space that feels both spacious and serene. Now it's your turn. Try these DIY hacks in your space and let me know which ones work best in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for more small space living hacks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest DIY transformations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In this chapter, we'll explore some advanced DIY hacks for small spaces that you might not have thought of. These tips will help you maximize every inch of your home, making it both functional and stylish. First, consider using magnetic strips to store metallic tools and kitchen utensils. This not only saves drawer space, but also keeps your frequently used items within easy reach. Next, try installing fold-down tables or desks. These can be tucked away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space for other activities. These advanced DIY hacks can take your small space living to the next level. Try them out and let me know which ones made the biggest difference for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more small space living hacks. See you in the next video. Now that we've covered advanced DIY hacks, let's dive into some real-life examples of small space transformations. We'll look at before and after scenarios to give you some inspiration for your own home. First up, we have Sarah's tiny studio apartment. Before, the space was cluttered and felt cramped. After implementing vertical storage solutions, Sarah created distinct zones. Her studio now feels spacious and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more small space living hacks. See you in the next video.